Hello, for my next exercise 10 for autonomous driving, we will discuss what it is and where it is in Japan. So, autonomous driving, what is it? It is a self driving vehicle or transport system that moves without the intervention of a human driver. A driverless vehicle must build the map of its environment and place itself inside of the map and completely understand its relative surroundings. And most commonly, the camera technology are used to scan the surroundings, and then the car computer aggregates the sensors and the GPS and the IMU inputs and builds the map. So, who is using autonomous driving? The technology may engage to younger consumers, even though it can target residents who lack access to personal vehicles or have difficulties in driving. And specifically, it is expected to appeal to the millennial generation and the elderly and the disabled. And for the elderly, disabled, and the sick, anonymous or autonomous vehicles will immensely affect their lives because one of their major challenges that they do face is moving around. So, this will help. And the Alphabet is currently testing design tools like buttons with braille and enable visual impaired people to move around with driverless cars. Why are they using the autonomous driving? It is to compensate for for Japan's aging population. The Japanese aging population is in need of transportation, but the country is plagued with labor shortages. And in the cargo and transport sectors, drivers have become more elder and old, and the shortage of human resources have become serious. And the government also aims to put the level 4 automated driving systems to practical use in the area, aimed mainly for the elderly people. And by the end of March 2023, they're going to expand them into more than 40 locations nationwide by around 2025. Where are they using autonomous driving? Companies offer driverless functionality and will be expected to monitor the usage of their vehicles remotely. It helps reduce terrible accidents caused by the elderly drivers making operational errors. And for Royal Japan, autonomous vehicles will become a necessity. When are they using the autonomous driving? There are a lot of barriers remaining because there are no established communication protocols and infrastructure standards. And even countries at the leading edge of automotive industry lack the national framework of it. And the liability is definitely undefined, and safety and security concerns are definitely widespread. And how can this help solve the issues related to the SDGs to achieve a better and more sustainable future? They will help the issues by offering a significant environmental benefit in fuel usage. Um, it is noted by a research institute that it can lead to as much as a 20% improvement in fuel consumption. So I thought that was pretty cool. For my two truths and a lie, for rural Japan, autonomous vehicles will become a necessity. Number two, there are no barriers when entering the market, which will implement this idea faster in the market. And my last one, autonomous vehicles are considered for the elderly, disabled, and the sick.